Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwedwe media so dia wo kan se unsempa esa kana no pen so ja metin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and amazing kunya ekwono kwanten kode small do esa kana no pen so e wo Ghana gudim ejaw hye so mam se nwuma komi ensa anabo miska dwetime na no pay ye den common eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet there and tasma we change so try before din before try kuma bia within the kuma stand manum and bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira nya yano eno ani editwa bet nya sade a bet diwa when you bet me call wadwene bet nya bomuti bet nya san hyehyew and it mesel we na echi na so pe bet there a 1xbet and my boys nya financial freedom a one more edit new year na kama into bomoden ada se won between aka 1xbet je fast message do it infections netted to gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so deep a etimi boa prapra harawa no mro bo ho e ma etimi di nchineche ukọ herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in emu a also pe je fast message eno ne edu ba kwa e betia boa na di akagina mu edi amount ye kana sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel edura fiwa pampa so be pimo na se ye ka pain yaudi a etu fi o si home e boa e ma niam 822 ye edemount furniture shama me market na fitema so enye na hokra se utaduru bi na odi aye ho ana se uto na wankasa wanom no won setimi ka sede model ruler e betimi aboa obetia from 020218 020219 na one sede model ruler ye hwehwe nkomo na ma ne biom 0202199129 na one sede model ruler ye hwehwe nkomo a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with our first step yensa se mfanfi EPL matches awodo and also 8 Sato Femino Arsenal echi Manchester United equal 3-2 na House of Folk phobia never say die ashe duke tekana no nyanko ntomrante no omo transfer dreams equal meka baako na Western Messi course na ya omo da so omo ye ya omo entimi ante ene de point be na fon so shebo sen kon kwehye kotoko na so team ketwa okoma kumase asan do hutwa na kaminu emo tekana baako a utimi sampa MTN FA Cup no emo de
And that's the first goal. I would want to think that it came off a head. Opportunity! Oh, brilliantly done. Brilliantly done. And look at the reaction. Omar, the toast of the fans. Eugene is back on the field. Corner kick is taken. Across the face of goal, and Kotoko have snatched it.
I told you. Lovely finish from Maxwell Ajimai, and Jewu is stunned. You can't give Kotoko that opportunity. You can't take your eye off them. And here, with so much quality from the corner kick, ball not well dealt with. It fell for Ajimai, and nobody closing in on him. He had the time and the luxury to finish that ball. And look at the delivery again from Morrison. Not well dealt with. It fell for him here. Nobody closing in on him, and he hits the ball.
But Graham, obviously we didn't have your take on the penalty shout. Do you think it was a clear penalty?
Well, it was a tackle from behind actually. The goalkeeper, the referee, in terms of his run and his position, was a bit of a closer. Ejani Boateng! Would you believe this? Out of nothing comes a goal here for Dreams FC, and Ejani Boateng punishing Accra Heart for a clumsy tackle from the defense line, and the Phobians.
The MTN FA Cup has a full free na coach Slavko Mantic and say we're very disappointed. So what transfer my dreams are being a free.
We are masters to create drama. You saw first half, we give gift again. Gift after that. We start good game. You can see, I see Dreams make a lot of pressure now for referees, but first half I'm sure was penalty also for us. This second was 100%. After the chance what we have, we give gift. We receive very easy balls. Exactly what I said before game. If we give them opportunity, they're very dangerous, they will lose. On the end, you saw second half. We create a lot of chances. We have chances after free kicks, after crosses. We didn't score and we deserve this penalty, but it was hard luck. We didn't score and we lose the game today. We are masters to create drama. You saw first half.
Enti nezeni abano no but coach Abdul Karim Zito ne kita Dreams Football Club enra odim kunim no ono so ne odija eni.
All the matches I played here, the best result for me was draw. We even on one occasion we were leading by 3 goals and they equalized all. As a folk during the league, 2 goals, they equalized all. So as I said from the beginning, it's a phobia around us. And I told you from the beginning, everything has a first day. And today we are coming with another attitude to break these chains. And I'm very, very
Abdul Karim Zito, Dreams Football Club for head coach, Okasawi Epe, and a Save Zibo, what the French Eku and Santemai, or Nene Kotoko coach, and come on also, Eddie Eja.
Il y a au moins 6 qui sont blessés, qui ne sont pas dans l'effectif. Donc, je suis en train de faire avec les joueurs que j'ai.
So you have about 6 players who are not effective in their main positions. And you have to make changes. You have to amend positions for us to raise the team to play the match. Though they were training with the team, but that is it. A lot of injuries had made the team performance.
Inti Save Zibo ana any French eguse na no pay no, but Benab FC coach friend say Abu Hanams or also the Nkomo Eja Essence no, I very determined say Okwakwashe Kumase Asante Kotoko.
Oh, I'm happy with my boys, the way they played. They played to my satisfaction. But just because of the officiating, that's why I'm annoyed. Because you give us 5 minutes and you played 8 minutes for them to score. That's the reason why I'm annoyed.
Nti Benab FC4 coach na tene kan so de nkomo 8 to general FIFA results 8 PM no Tanobo 4-2 Aduana Stars 3 Stephens 4 says obiara rehye bia ene moma mo so nhye bia omu etwa STK Stars e kamien somte kana ba kokotoku as 1 Enzema kotoko 0 Great Olympics Oligbogbo Olimashi Olinkonson Oli the city is coming too low. One and then Lagos City about 0-0. Lagos City 4 at the penalties separate the boys from the men. 1 more 8 me 4-3. Lagos City 4 Eja Olympics or Quentin Power FC and I say Wa Power. One more so transima the BB United. Ebitrom Ekami and Samte Kanabako. Volta Rangers Akosumo Crystal Palace Omunyehu. Omutrom Ekami and Samte Kanabako. RTU 1. Wasunta 0. Afi bibiani Gold Stars transima Kumaze can find a large goose if you work about him Zampa. Till my day. Womu bibiani Gold Stars for 4-1. And Afi so Samates Nations FC Dr. Kwame team no Etrom Kabakwa. Also Entimi Anti Sky FC Karela Etrom 2-0 and Afi Accra Woodwe Nichima Kwando out of France. Also any MSK Zalina and a boy 2-0. Emma Kwando out of France, Dr. and the Abini team. Niama Etian to 2 years at the amount. We soon begin an Amediane. My short name is BCA who can see no ebitimi SC. A 1x bet. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Bet there, you have to bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika ira nyawano, and no any deeper bet. After so we bet ni bino so, withdraw 90% of winnings. Nenya sadia bet. Ebesa frewa na one sand nyakana asegu. So bet with money that you can afford to lose. So bet there, ye de ketwa ana ekwa chekesi. Modern da say baby bia ubia no. Opeso nya financial freedom there. A 1x bet. And abwa my boys new year. Womo 18 year pass. Sedi mo jala nulon. Womo etechi and afin so kwano. Womo elbo amani ama etianko ye campaign ya udie dia. Womo anehweboa emaniama 18 yo madama womo na techri bo amena no penso dia o kensi mu sempa sakan 8 mejao chifas mixture enso eye infections adua sakan bibeti aboa within the profit ke wala sabidi catch back pe sabidi amenya muma sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment here Ghana had or entertainment mistress untimi no agise bia wotafro abatwe personal ma AC kwa habe de dead so bi baby catch abusuanfo na hofo yere o ma wo fasefo na na mukrum ne obi ase sister Sandy be a guy and ever up next.